Right, good morning everyone. Now I found a bag with some bits and pieces in that I forgot we had. So I'm just looking at what I have. Okay. Yeah, I can use them bits up. I've got some hankies in that. I like this one. That's pretty. And I've got this bit of fabric. That applique. Some more of that. But I've found this. And I love it. It's gorgeous. How much of this have I got? Oh, it's quite a bit. Yeah, okay, right. Just bear with me. Let me get my, look, my mat's hole. Put it on there like that. Yeah, right, hang on. Let me just see. I have this. Now if this will fit. Let me just see. Because I'd like to get as much of that as I can. I like it that way. Right, okay. Let's hang fire. Just move that out of the way, and I fancy covering that, and I can just put a piece on the end there. Right, okay. So as soon as my glue gun's ready, and then I've got some cheesecloth that I want to put over the wadding. Let me just see. We'll see. I'm just going to play. But I have to make sure that everything's ready. Now these are just oddments that I have that I've taken apart or don't want, you know. Oh, that'll come in handy somewhere, won't it? Bits I've made in the past. Got that bit. I remember making that. Yeah, okay. I have to say, Joanne and I today will be going through, I want to clear some drawers out. I've got tons and tons of stuff that we don't need. And what I'm going to do is to do some packs, random packs of craft bags. And you might get something like that in, with flowers, with more trims. There might be something that you can alter or whatever. They will be going cheap because I've just got so much. I need to have a really good clear out. What happens is I go to the charity shops, I go to the car boots, and I go anywhere I can to pick up as much as possible, as cheaply as possible for you lot, you know, to pass on so that you lot can craft and create and do whatever it is you do, make all your beautiful projects, but at a very good price. As we know, crafting is expensive, and not everybody's got a shitload of money and you know, bottomless pit as a pocket. So that's why I do it. But what I'm going to do is go through everything and clear it out, because I've got loads to come in, and once that comes in I have no room for anything else. So I do every now and again have to have a clear out. And if you miss them, you miss them. I'm sorry. We're going to try and do a live stream where we can show you what there is in each bundle, and then you just say, yeah, you want it or not. Joanne's never done a live stream before. I have. But they're not as easy as they look, if you know what I mean. So, look, this was kind of like that though, but I want the tassels. I made all this myself. I know that it was, there we go, I can do that. There, just pull the tassels off that I need. Oh. I'm not in any pain whatsoever, but my hands don't have the strength they used to have. I think it goes like that as you're getting older. I know you could heat them up and that. So yeah, I'm just going to take 1 or 2 of these off. Do I want that? Maybe. It's just sat there, so I might as well use it, mightn't I? See, like that. Made all of these just to make this trim. Now, this was a tutorial I showed how to make the trim. There we go. But I might have things sat around that I've done a tutorial on, and some I give away, some I donate, and some I sell, and some I just have a box full of stuff. And I think, what am I going to do with all that? So what I'm going to do is just to take this bit off. I might use it somewhere else. There we go. That's that bit of trim. Never know, might come in handy somewhere. And that bit of trim. That'll make a skirt for a doll, look. See, don't waste anything. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. We're just going to play. Right, so, and I've got some of these. I buy these by the, it's like a long garland. And what I do is, I love them in my projects. I love using them. We've sold loads of those online, but I think the shop's not got any left. That's my lot, that. Right, are we ready with the glue gun? Let's put the mat in front. Yeah, this is the look I'm after. I don't want to take away this because it's floral. You know, you don't want to spoil that. And you might see something different to me, but I saw that those flowers that I did like and wanted to use weren't right for it at all. I like that. So, and what I'm going to do is just go around the edge and pin that flower down. And I'm only doing a thin layer, so it can be taken off if anybody wants to do that if they buy this, because this is going up for sale now. Okay. And I don't think you need any more than that. So, with that being said, what I'm going to do is pop this on the shop. And that can go in there. That's going to go, oh, that's pretty. And you don't need a picture. Look at that, that's beautiful. Missing. It needs a teardrop. Just there. Like that. Beautiful. And now I will put a back on that, and that's going in the shop. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.